If you're a designer who is tired of laggy tools, paid features, or needing a fast offline editor, you need to see Lunacy. Today, I will show you why Lunacy is one of the most underrated design tools in 2025, and we are going to decide something fully inside Lunacy. Lunacy is an offline first design tool from Icons 8. It has everything you need for UI design, social media graphics, thumbnails, wireframes, and quick layouts. It actually works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it has different plans, but you can start for free as well. Here's why creators and designers love Lunacy. It's insanely fast even on the low spec devices. It works fully offline, it has built-in assets, stock photos, icons, illustration, UI kits, and everything you name it. And it uses AI in ways like background removal, text to image, avatar generation, and auto layout, and many more other features. Think of Lunacy like a hybrid, faster and more lightweight than Figma, more flexible for design than Canva, and cleaner UI than Photopea. And unlike other tools, you can use it for free. Today, I am going to create a complete social media post design inside Lunacy using built-in icons, photos, shapes, text styles, and AI features. You will see exactly how fast the workflow is. So let's jump into it.
Okay, so we are in the Lunacy app. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new cloud document, and I'm going to type F on my keyboard, and from here you can see different sizes displaying. So for this one I'm going to make a Instagram post portrait. Now I'm going to add my product image to it, and I will be adding the text as well. So first thing first, I'm going to type R on my keyboard to draw a rectangle line behind, and in the color section I can go to the gradient and select a very light gradient. For example, let's keep this to white and this side to around here. Great. Now I'm going to add my product image here. So from here I'm going to drop my product image. As you can see, there is a white background in the image, so don't worry about it. Just right click on the image and click remove image background. The AI will do its magic and the background will automatically be removed in just a matter of seconds. So here, as you can see, the background has been removed. Now it's time to add the text. So to do the text, I'm going to select this, or I can even type on my keyboard and type T. From here I can add the text. Here I would be writing the main title: every day can be Sunday. So let's increase the font size, maybe around 70 or maybe more, around 120, and make it in 2 lines. So something like this. Now I'm going to change the color of it to dark and change the font to semi-bold. Let's do this. Now I'm going to Control D on my keyboard to make a duplicate of this text and simply add the subtitle text. It would be something like Men's Sunday Performance Short. Now let's reduce the size of it to around here and move this a bit down, and also change the font weight here. So if you go to the icon section, you will see a plenty of icons. Now I'm going to add some icons on this image so that we can bring more life to this post. So I'm going to type odor, and let's select this to be added over here and change the size a bit big, around 75. Now I'm going to add another icon, and it would be let's add this. add another icon, which would be so let's add this. And make it 75. Now I'm going to add some shapes by typing O. Let's change the color of it to make exactly same like this. Now I'm going to do duplicate of this, and I will be placing the icons work them one by one, and let's align them all together. Now if you want, you can even group these two so they don't move one by one. Now let's do this, add the text by duplicating this one, and here we can say order free. For this one we can do let's align these all together. Now that we have our text and the icons ready, what we can do is we can just simply select all of them, group them, and then align them in the center. Now I want to include a subtle kind of background for the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type paper, and let's see if we can find something. We have this texture over here, so let's use this here, and let's see the blending modes we can play with. Let's move it to the back and move this shape to the back as well. Now as you can see, there is a very nice texture coming up here. Now I'm going to the illustrations and we find some icon related to weekend maybe. Let's see if we can find out. I think this would look nice. And now I'm going to add the effect to the product. So from here you can add different type of effects. So I'm going to do shadow at the moment. Let's increase the blur so the product is like popping out really nice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of this and resize it to a story format size. Width would be same and height would be 1920. So now I'm going to select both of these and click export, and I'm going to do export selected and save it here. Now you will see we have both of our social media posts ready, which can be posted now.
Lunacy is the perfect tool if you want speed, offline performance, clean workspace, free built-in assets, and zero subscriptions. It's ideal for creators, designers, thumbnail artists, and UI UX beginners. And combined with tools like Jitter, it becomes your full design plus motion pipeline. And if you would like a full thumbnail design masterclass inside Lunacy, let me know. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next videos. Till then, bye.